Welcome to Tryonora's easy onboarding setup. Let's start by setting up your Try-On widget from the settings page. Click on Add Widget to begin. This takes you to your Shopify theme editor. Here, enable the AI Virtual Try-On app block from the App Embeds panel on the left. Once enabled, select any product on your storefront. This ensures the widget appears correctly on product pages. Now return to the settings page. If everything is working correctly, you'll see the widget status marked as verified. Next, click on Add Products to move to the Try-On Products page. Here, you can select any product from your store to enable the Try-On widget. Choose a product variant and select the image you want to send for the try-ons. For best results, choose a model image more than a flat lay. Once a product has the Try-On widget enabled, you'll see its status marked as active in the product list. You can now click on the product name to visit the live product page and test the try-on experience. Click on the Try-On button that appears on the product image. This opens the Tryonora Virtual Dressing Room widget, where your shoppers can upload their own photo to see how the product fits on them. You can also test it using sample images provided inside the widget. In just 6 to 10 seconds, the AI generates a lifelike try-on preview using the selected product and the uploaded image. If the customer likes what they see, they can add it to their cart instantly, right from the widget itself. This seamless flow helps boost engagement and conversions dramatically. Want to personalize the experience even more? Head to the dashboard where you'll find customization options for the Try-On button. You can change the label text, color, and corner radius to match your store's branding. And for high traffic or large inventory stores, you can also enable the Try-On button globally. This will apply the widget to all your products automatically, ideal for pro and elite plans. That's it. Your store is now Try-On ready. Let your customers shop with confidence and excitement.